Welcome to the FarFetched Starship. We're so glad you made it. I'm your captain, Darian Wigfall. FarFetched is a profit-sharing, knowledge-sharing experiment. We're where artists and musicians come when they feel rejected by the mainstream music industry. We're the outcasts. We're the weird kids that no one ever spoke to in the hall. We're the home of the weirdos. So welcome to the family. As an artist development company, we teach musicians and artists the business side of the industry from the inside. So number one, they don't get taken advantage of. And number two, they can grow themselves and their brand. Being the director of operations, I have a big hand in the passage of information as well as team building. And we do that through family dinners and now family Zoom calls, as well as our new studio space where people can come and collaborate. We've stayed active in the music community with an experimental beat show called The Link Up. We do DJ events every week. We have a residency with the Pulitzer Foundation for the Arts. And we have a number of shows that feature our artists pretty much every week of the year. We also volunteer our time with youth and social justice actions. We put out a ton of music and travel a lot. 30 plus albums to date. We've hit most major US cities. We've been featured in Fortune magazine, Bandcamp, The Washington Post, NPR, and Barack Obama's favorites list. And we've been in the Riverfront Times, our hometown newspaper, so much I can't even count. I'm about to give you all the keys that we've used to achieve this success, updated and ready for your success path to be applied. So during this training, we're gonna go through a lot. I just introduced FarFetched. Next, we're gonna go through the introduction to being a do-it-yourself musician. After that, we'll go into what it takes to be a do-it-yourself musician, followed by section 1, where we'll go into home recording for beginners, home vocal recording for beginners, how to fund your dream, top 6 time management tools for DIY musicians, and then that will conclude section 1. And in section 2, we're gonna talk about music business. We'll talk about how to get your music on iTunes, how to register for BMI, how to register for ASCAP, how to register for CSAC, as well as how to register for the Library of Congress. And in addition, we'll talk about how to register your art as a business and how to protect your music overseas. And in section 3, we'll get into music promotion, how to book a show, how to promote a show, how to package your album for release, how to connect with your audience on stage, how to make an EPK, how to make video content for your supporters. We'll also get into a little bit of sales funnels for do-it-yourself musicians, as well as venue etiquette and proper social media etiquette. In the next module, we're gonna get into FarFetched secret number 0, which is an introduction to doing it yourself and how all that works.